I'm too hot and bad. Nobody can tell me nothing.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it.
I'm coming across this beautiful face. Make sure to subscribe, okay? So it will not be a last. So my folks, my people, my brethren, my subscribers, my family, everything in one. No matter how much everybody on social media claim to be woke these days and about what they feel about, it still doesn't go away. But you can avoid to be the victim in the situation. But now I'm not even here to bash the male raising their hands on their females, or am I going to bash the females for always staying no matter what. I'm only here to speak to my generation, because it has come to my understanding that this older generation, the generation of our parents and our grandparents, have just made up their mind to accept what they are in and just either die in it, or the ones that decide to live silently. Our generation that their boyfriends be repeating the same thing on. And even though everybody's claiming to be woke, even though everybody's claiming to have a voice today on social media, even though everybody is a hero on social media, they still accept this thing, they still see all these things and still remain in this situation. Auntie, are you okay, ne? You now, you don't even have excuse. You as a young girl that have your life ahead of you, why do you still let yourself be in this situation, knowing fully well that whether you like it or not, it never goes well? No matter how much you hope for the person to change, there are females that do it on guys and there are guys that do it on girls. People always tend to raise their hands on somebody, a way of like correction to some people, and anybody that have that mindset that that is a way of correction, that never goes away. If you can accept the fact that older people are in this situation, but what I cannot accept is that younger people are still in this situation. Auntie, you're not a strong person. Auntie, you're not patient. You're not endurant. You're just stupid. Very, very stupid. And I know some people will be like, oh, like this is not an every time situation. And sometimes if you think about it in a relationship, the good outdoes the bad, blah 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 blah. But do you know the trauma residues is living on you? Don't let anybody enslave you into that mentality that it's okay for somebody to put their hands on you, for you to be corrected, or for you to stay grounded. And all those people that used to claim when you anger issue, I'm too hot and bad, nobody can tell me nothing. If he brags about what he can do when he's angry, if he brags about how he hits his sisters, if he brags about how he hits other people and making you feel like you are lucky that doesn't hit you, like Japa, pack your bag. Don't even see it as you are privileged that he doesn't do that to you. See it as enough red flag to dump his ass. Why should somebody be bragging about what they can do when they are angry? It makes no sense. And as for girls too that used to form like any small thing, like, hey, what I for do to you, like, calm down. If this same person goes outside and there's a situation, you know how the police can be annoying sometimes, and the police annoys this person, is the person also going to showcase his or her anger issues to the law? Of course not. The person knows how to control the anger issues, but why is it when it comes to you, all of a sudden that anger issue cannot be controlled to the extent it results to inflicting pain? And guys be like, oh my gosh, like girls are so disrespectful. Do you know what she said to me? Do you know what why don't you say back? Everybody keep your hands to yourself. If you're so pissed with that person, just leave. If it's the only reason people hit somebody is to prove that they have more power and more control. If you feel that you have to show somebody that you have more power and more control over them, how about you use it in the sense of financial stability to showcase that power, channel all that energy to trying to make money. You don't have to be all tied grass to somebody that you are claiming love. What's pissing me off is that there are girls like my age that are going through this. This is why I'm making this video, because at this point I can't really speak on marriage, because somebody will be like, oh, I'm not ready to take advice from somebody who's not married, because of course I'm young, I can't advise a married woman or whatever. But my thing is, you as a young person, don't also walk that path that your parents walked. Don't also walk that path that your neighbors or people around you walked. Because have you ever seen somebody that walked that path that it helped? No, it's not a good road to success. It's not a good footprint to follow. So why are you letting yourself also be in that situation that will not help you? So guys, that's just what I wanted to put out there, and I hope that you know, I'm not a relationship expert, neither am I the type of person to come and start putting mouth in people's business, but I can use my platform to promote positivity rather. And even if it's one person that sees this video and is truly in this type of situation and makes a U-turn, it makes me so happy. No matter how much you think you're being strong by staying, you're not being strong. You're being foolish, you're being a coward, you're being traumatized, and you're just not letting yourself live up to your full potential. That being said, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you think, because you know I spit some sense today, bro. And do not forget to, I keep singing this, I'm tired of saying this, geez, like just join already, join the channel membership, join. We need to say this. Also shop for your amazing mini heart skirts from me.